Welcome! Today we'll learn about the organization of the nervous system by building a complete diagram showing how different parts are connected. Let's start with the central nervous system, or CNS, which includes the brain and spinal cord. This is the command center of the nervous system. Connected to the CNS is the peripheral nervous system, or PNS, which includes all the nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. The PNS has two main divisions: the sensory or afferent division, which carries information to the CNS, and the motor or efferent division, which carries commands from the CNS. The motor division further splits into two systems: the somatic nervous system, controlling voluntary movements like muscle contractions, and the autonomic nervous system, or ANS, controlling involuntary functions. Finally, the ANS has two branches: the sympathetic division, responsible for fight or flight responses, and the parasympathetic division, which controls rest and digest functions. Let's review the flow of information. Sensory information travels through the PNS to the CNS, which then sends motor commands back through the PNS. These commands can trigger either voluntary responses through the somatic system or involuntary responses through the ANS, which can be either excitatory through the sympathetic division or inhibitory through the parasympathetic division.